Do you care what the attorney's office looks like when deciding which attorney to hire? Would you like to learn what I'm talking about? Come join me as I share with you this great information. Hi, I'm Gerald Oginski. I'm a New York medical malpractice and personal injury trial attorney practicing law here in the state of New York. You know, when you're searching for an attorney, you might go into a lawyer's office who appears to be extremely successful. There are gorgeous furnishings in the office. There's beautiful mahogany wood on the walls. There's beautiful Persian carpets. There's nice French furniture. There's gorgeous objects, crystals on the attorney's desk, all giving the impression that the attorney is very successful. But now let me ask you this question. Is all of that going to sway your decision on whether or not to hire this attorney in this law firm? Before you jump to conclusions, I want you to ask yourself this question, and this is something you probably should ask each attorney that you meet with. Are you going to be the same attorney that handles my question and answer session known as a deposition? Are you going to be the same attorney who handles my trial? Because in large law firms, they may have their office beautifully decorated, very impressive. They may be in New York City, overlooking a gorgeous skyline of Central Park or someplace else. And now you're meeting with an attorney who obviously looks like he's been very successful. But one thing you should ask is, listen, I appreciate you meeting with me, but are you also going to be the same attorney who handles my deposition, the question and answer session? And are you going to be the same attorney who handles my trial? Now, why should you ask that? Because in many large law firms, these attorneys have different teams, and different attorneys will be assigned to do different tasks on your case. One attorney is going to handle the intake, a different attorney will handle your deposition, a different attorney is even going to handle your trial. And if you're okay with that, then this may be the right attorney and right law firm for you. On the other hand, there are injured victims who simply say, I really don't care what the attorney's office looks like. The only thing I want to know is, have you handled cases just like mine? Do you have experience handling these particular cases? And if so, tell me about it. Because they want to know, listen, if you're the one who meets with me when I come into the office, are you also going to be the one who meets with me and preps me and is there for me at my deposition? And if you are you also going to be the same one at my trial? And there's some injured victims who prefer to have one single attorney handle their case from the very beginning all the way through the end of the litigation. And that's more comforting to them. So the real question for you is, which attorney is right for you? And importantly, do the furnishings in the attorney's office really and truly matter? So why do I share this great information with you? I share it with you just to give you an insight and an understanding into what goes on in the litigation process as you begin your journey on deciding which attorney is right for you. So why do I share this great information with you? I share it with you just to give you an insight and an understanding into what goes on in the litigation process and your journey searching for an attorney. As always, if you have legal questions, pick up the phone and call me. I can answer your legal questions. I answer questions like yours every single day, and I welcome your call. You can reach me at 516-487-8207 or by email at Gerry, G-E-R-R-Y, at oginski-law.com. Well, that's it for today's quick video tip. I'm Gerald Oginski coming to you from New York. Have a wonderful day.